We're at the Algonquin Water Park, and you can see activity behind us. It's a great day for this, so you can come on out and enjoy it. And I'm now joined by Sierra Warren, who is the public facilities with the public facilities team at Louisville Public Health and Wellness.
Yes.
Thank you for being here
Thank
with
you.
us. And we want to talk a little bit about how all the different departments here in Louisville Metro government always work together, but you collaborate, the public health department collaborates with a whole lot of departments in various different ways. And one way is with the water safety here for the pools and with the aquatic parks, right?
Yes.
So tell us, what are the pool inspections that you're doing?
So we inspect every public pool twice a year. And then we also collect water samples from every pool every week. So the water sample we test for bacteria in the pool. That's our first indicator if something was wrong. And then our inspectors would address it. So during our inspection, we check the water quality, so your chlorine, your pH, any other chemicals in the pool, and then we do a general safety check, look for the lifeguards, make sure they're paying attention to all the kiddos swimming, and check everything in the equipment room, so the filter and the pump.
Okay, and how often do you do this?
Twice a year.
Twice a year, so
Yep.
you go to each of the
Yeah.
aquatic areas twice a year.
And then so like something like Algonquin will be here twice in the summer, so you don't have as many months to inspect, but we still come twice.
Okay, and I think you have a sample here for us
Yes.
that you're going to show us,
Yes.
right? So do you want to
Yes.
pull that up?
So this is from the pool. So I already put in our powder we're going to test for chlorine. So it's good that it turns pink. That means that there is chlorine in the pool. So now we're going to see how much. And there's some math involved. So for the range, they have to have at least 2 parts per million.
All right, hold that.
I got to spin it. So the spinning's good.
Okay.
So we got to mix in the chemicals. And so we're waiting for it to turn clear. And that's going to, how many drops, it's going to tell us how much chlorine is in the pool.
Okay. So we can see it changing from pink.
Yep. So once it's clear, we've reached, all right. So they are in range. That's good.
Okay.
Yep.
And you could tell they were in range because of the number of drops?
Yes.
Okay.
So each drop is 0.2, so we multiply that by how many drops, and it gives us a number of how many parts per million of chlorine is in the pool.
Okay. So if there are any kids out there interested in chemistry, this is a
Yes.
job for them
Yes,
possibly
absolutely.
as well, right?
Yes.
Because it all takes place.
Yes.
Okay.
So they're good.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Now, if it hadn't been, what is the process for clarifying the water at that point?
So if we have a problem, we first try to reach out to whoever's on site, see if they can fix it, see if there's something in the equipment room that's not working, and then go from there. If there's nobody that can fix it, we'd have to close the pool until it can be fixed.
Okay. So how confident should the citizens of Louisville be that the water is clear and something they should be entering?
I think the pools are pretty safe. We have a great team of inspectors. We have 10 inspectors that cover all of Jefferson County. And then if the public has any questions, we do have an open data portal so they can go and look at the scores and the inspection reports for the pools that they swim at and see if they have any concerns.
Okay. And they can find that on your website?
Yes, it is on our website.
Okay. And again, this is Sierra Warren with the Louisville Metro Public Health and Wellness. And they're analyzing the water, making sure it's safe for us all to be taking part. Thank you very much.